Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning animal names in Korean language. In the first part, we learned the names of various farm animals in Korean. And in the second part, we learned the names of different pet animals in Korean language. Now, in the third part, we are going to learn the names of different aquatic animals in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 2 parts yet, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with part 3rd. Okay, first comes the Korean word for whale, and that is 고래, 고래. Now let's see how to say crocodile in Korean, and that is 악어, 악어. Next comes the Korean word for frog, and that is 개구리, 개구리. Now comes the word for shark in Korean, and that is 상어, 상어. Next, let's see the Korean word for seahorse, and that is 해마, 해마. Now let's see how to say octopus in Korean language, and that is 문어, 문어. Next, let's see what is the Korean word for shrimp, and that is 새우, 새우. Now comes the Korean word for dolphin, and that is 돌고래, 돌고래. Next, let's see what is lobster in Korean language, and that is 바닥가재, 바닥가재. Now comes the Korean word for eel, and that is 장어, 장어. Next comes the Korean word for squid, and that is 오징어, 오징어. Now let's see how to say otter in Korean language, and that is 수달, 수달. Next comes the Korean word for starfish, and that is 불가사리, 불가사리. Now let's see how to say crab in Korean, and that is 게, 게. Next, let's see what is the Korean word for jellyfish, and that is 해파리, 해파리. Next comes the Korean word for seal, and that is 물개, 물개. Now let's see how to say turtle in Korean language. There are 2 words for turtle, 거북 and 거북이, 거북, 거북이. You can notice that there is a difference of only 1 syllable, that is E. Okay, now comes the Korean word for stingray, and that is 가오리, 가오리. Okay, so today we learned the names of various aquatic animals in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.